Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today, I will be presenting my Bling on the Fall Tablescape. Because, honey, we're not done with it. We're not done, not by a long shot. We are not done, honey. The Home Decor LUXE Club, honey. We are giving you everything inspiration for fall. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. If you haven't done so, go right down here below me and click on that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, without any further ado, let's get into it. For today's tablescape, I started off with this beautiful woven table runner that I got, I believe, at HomeGoods. And if you can see that, it has a gold threading running through it, embossed leaf pattern. Just absolutely beautiful. To that, I'm going to add this gold charger. For our place setting, I am using this off-white burlap textured plate. I'm also going to use the matching dessert plate. And at our two hostess place setting, I have these beautiful kind of leaf pattern frosted bowls that I got from HomeGoods. So I'm going to use it, and they only had two, so I'm going to use those. For our napkins, I thought they were very complimentary, are these beautiful fall napkins with the leaf pattern on them. And if you look closely, they also have that gold threading, which complements our table runner. So I'm just going to fold those in half lengthwise, but I want one of the leaf designs to poke out the bottom. So I'm going to take them and I'm going to put them and lay them down over our dinner plate and then leave the beautiful leaf design hanging down. And then I'll place our dessert plate and our bowl back on top. For our centerpiece today, I have this beautiful apothecary jar, which I got from Hobby Lobby. And it's filled with the white pumpkins from Hobby Lobby. These beautiful golden candlesticks, that's a thrift find. And I believe the smaller was $1.99 and the larger one was $2.99. And on top of those candlesticks, I have here these beautiful glass pumpkins that I got at HomeGoods, and they were $14.99, and they also light. I have a few of these white pumpkins, and I'm just going to kind of scatter them around our table. Next, I'm going to come in with these clear crystal or glass candle holders, and these were a thrift find. Along with the candles, they were also thrifted. Next, I have these beautiful, and I believe they're marble, with the gold edging on them. Very pretty. Pick these up at the at-home store. The original price was $12.99, and of course, you know your girl got them on clearance. And lastly, I have these beautiful golden champagne flutes, and these were also a thrift find, probably from a wedding. I got a box of 12 for $2.99, honey. What a buy! And I think that looks absolutely beautiful. So elegant, so elegant. And I'm gonna bring you in for a closer look at that. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration to create some beautiful table decor in your home. If you haven't done so already, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Until next time.